Good morning, everyone. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce something truly global, truly flexible, and truly powerful: Best Remote Workers. We are a remote service provider based in India, offering top-quality virtual assistants, freelance services, and remote workforce solutions to companies and entrepreneurs all over the world. Our mission is simple: to make skilled, cost-effective remote talent accessible to everyone, from startups to global enterprises. At Best Remote Workers, we understand the changing dynamics of today's workforce. The world is no longer tied to traditional office walls. Businesses today are looking for agility, affordability, and global talent, and that's exactly what we deliver. Whether you're a small business owner needing help with data entry or customer support, a startup looking for social media managers or designers, or a large organization wanting to expand your development team without expanding office space, we have the right professionals for you. What makes us different? First, our people. We carefully vet every remote worker in our network. These are not just freelancers. These are skilled professionals with real-world experience, trained in communication, time management, and task ownership. From virtual assistants to software developers, from content writers to financial analysts, we offer a wide spectrum of expertise. Second, our process. We remove the usual friction of hiring remote workers. You tell us what you need, and we'll match you with the best candidates, usually within 24 to 48 hours. You don't need to waste time reviewing hundreds of profiles. We do the hard work so you can focus on growing your business. Third, our pricing. By tapping into India's strong talent pool, we offer highly competitive rates without compromising on quality. Our clients save significantly on operational costs while maintaining productivity and output at global standards. Support businesses in all industries: IT, e-commerce, healthcare, real estate, marketing, legal services, logistics, and more. Our remote professionals work around the clock and across time zones, allowing our clients to achieve 24/7 business continuity and faster turnaround times. But Best Remote Workers is more than a service provider. We are your growth partner. We care about your success, and that's why we go beyond just connecting you with a freelancer. We help you onboard, manage, and retain remote workers who truly understand your goals. With regular check-ins, performance tracking, and a dedicated customer support team, we ensure that your remote experience is smooth, reliable, and effective.